Welcome to Mystery Earth, where we explore the mysterious and dramatic phenomena of nature. In today's video, you will not only learn about disasters like floods, landslides, earthquakes, and storms, but you will also witness vivid and haunting images captured on camera in the most realistic way. Have you ever wondered what really happens when fierce storms hit or when the ground beneath you suddenly collapses? Thrilling stories and surprising secrets about the power of nature are waiting for you. Do you have the courage to face the scariest moments? Tune in to the video now and discover things you've never imagined. The landslide occurred violently, with massive chunks of earth and rock rolling down like giant marbles. The terrifying floodstorm crashes in, sweeping away everything in its path and submerging houses, leaving a vast sea of water. Lightning strikes down like bright arrows, igniting utility poles and snapping ancient trees. The house collapsed with a deafening roar, debris flying everywhere like a nightmare. A fierce forest fire breaks out, flames like fierce arms consuming everything in their path. The cliff collapsed, massive boulders plummeting down like cannonballs, their thunderous crash echoing everywhere, shaking the earth. The entire house collapsed in an instant, leaving behind only a scene of devastating ruins. The massive tsunami crashed into the shore with terrifying force, engulfing everything in its path. The earthquake shook violently, making everything in the house sway and shatter, leaving nothing standing firm. Wildfires erupt like nature's fury, flames rolling across the ground, creating thick black smoke. The tsunami strikes with a terrifying force, rising like a colossal wall of water. The landslide cascaded down the mountain, massive boulders crashing down, obliterating everything in their path, the deafening roar echoing like thunder. Wildfires spread like an uncontrollable rage, incinerating trees and crops, leaving a barren land. Landslides occur with terrifying speed, sending rocks and soil cascading down like a massive wave, swallowing everything in their path. The storm arrives like an unstoppable fury, tossing everything in its path. Powerful winds sweep through, causing trees to bend and rooftops to fly away. The storm ripped off rooftops, leaving behind barren and desolate patches, a testament to the fierce battle between nature and humanity. The storm raged like a frenzy, sweeping away everything in its path, leaving behind a scene of desolation and destruction. The tsunami surged like a furious wrath amidst the ocean, engulfing everything in its path with an unstoppable force. The tsunami relentlessly pounded the bridge, each wave fiercely crashing as if to swallow it whole. The lightning struck like electric shocks, tearing through the sky in the fierce storm. The bright flashes followed by thunderous booms. The floodwaters rushed down from the forest in a torrent, sweeping away everything in their path like an uncontrollable fury. Floods surged with mud and debris, transforming the landscape into a chaotic ocean. A sudden landslide, with the entire hillside cascading down like a torrential flood. The storm sweeps away the road, carrying along rocks, branches, and everything on the ground. The wind roars like a wild beast. Storm is a severe weather phenomenon, often accompanied by strong winds, heavy rain, and violent weather. The landslide came in a rush, with large boulders crashing down, forcing treetops to bend and sway. The raging flood swept away the boat, causing it to sway like a leaf in the storm, powerless amidst the torrent. Wildfires rage uncontrollably, fierce as a tornado, flames devouring everything in their path. The storm descends like a tempest, howling winds shaking the very core of humanity. The storm blows away the windows, sending shards flying everywhere. The tsunami swelled like giant monsters, sweeping away everything in its path. The landslide occurred suddenly, burying everything under layers of earth and rock. When a storm strikes, its power can cause significant damage to property and the surrounding environment. The tsunami knocked down the old man fishing, sweeping him into the raging sea. The storm swayed the trees like gigantic monsters, dancing in the dark sky. The storm swept through, sweeping away everything in its path. The wind roared like a monster. The flood swept away everything in its path, from trees and stones to everyday objects, leaving behind only faded memories amidst the sea of water. Thank you for watching today's video on Mystery Earth. We just explored the terrifying natural disasters like floods, landslides, earthquakes, and storms, along with haunting, real-life footage. We hope that the stories and secrets we've shared have given you a deeper understanding of nature's devastating power. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more exciting content. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments about which natural disasters you'd like us to explore next. We look forward to seeing you on our next thrilling journey.